Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to remove someone from your Facebook Business Manager account. If a team member no longer needs access to your business assets, you can revoke their permissions in just a few steps. Start by logging into your Facebook account and opening Ads Manager. Once you're there, open Ads Manager. Once you're in Ads Manager, click on your profile or business name and choose the correct business portfolio you want to manage. Next, click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, and select All Tools. From the available options, click on Business Settings. Inside Business Settings, go to the People section. Here, you'll find a list of all users who currently have access to your business portfolio. Locate the person you want to remove. Beside their name, click on the three-dot menu. You'll see the option Remove from Business Portfolio. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. If you're certain, click Remove to finalize the action. That's it. The user will no longer have access to your Facebook Business Manager account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.